When you hear the word teacher, what comes to your mind?
Someone who teaches,
A mentor?
someone strict,
Someone who cares.
But is that all they are?
Teaching may look simple, but it is more than just delivering lessons.
it is both profession and a vocation, requiring knowledge and skills, but also passion and commitment.
As a profession, teachers are trained academically. As vocation, they care, understand, and inspire students.
Teachers don't just teach subjects. They shape how students think, act, and grow.
That's why teaching is often considered as the foundation of all professions.
Teachers are mentors, leaders, and role models. They guide students academically, socially, and emotionally.
It's okay to make mistakes. What matters is that you try your best and be kind to your classmates. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
I don't understand this lesson, teacher.
Okay, let's try again together.
Moments like this are what we often see. A teacher explaining, guiding, and helping. But what we don't always see are the responsibilities that continue even before and after the lesson ends. And often, these responsibilities are carried quietly, without recognition, without applause, and sometimes without enough support.
Commitment, competence, leadership, and dedication are expected every day. Teachers deserve not just appreciation, but real support, proper recognition, and the resources they need to continue shaping minds, inspiring growth, and building the future.
To guide their actions, teachers are guided by a code of ethics, a set of principles that ensures they act with fairness, respect, and professionalism at all times.
This means treating all students equally, regardless of their background, abilities, or behavior. It means avoiding favoritism, maintaining professionalism, and creating a safe and respectful learning environment. A teacher's responsibility doesn't end when the school bell rings. In the eyes of the community, we are always teachers. The Code of Ethics reminds us that a teacher is a guide, not just of students, but of the community. This means maintaining a lifestyle that commands respect, free from scandal and beyond reproach.
Ethical teaching builds responsible and principled individual, shaping society one student at a time.
While teachers carry great responsibilities, they are also entitled to rights and privileges that aim to protect and support them in their profession. These include fair compensation, opportunities for professional growth, access to training, and protection under Philippine laws and policies. However, many teachers still face challenges such as heavy workloads and long hours. Lesson planning, paperworks, emotional pressure.
These realities raise an important question. Are teachers truly receiving the support they need in order to give a quality education?
Because if we expect them to shape the future, then we must also take responsibility in supporting their present.
To understand the realities of teaching, we reach out to an educator who guides students every day. We want to hear their experiences, challenges, and inspiration as a teacher. After careful planning, we choose one teacher who can share their insights about their roles, responsibilities, ethical standards, societal expectations, and impact in society.
Now, we get to hear directly from them, the voice that represents the heart of teaching.
So, good day po, ma'am. Ako po ni Juliana Bernate. We're from Northwest Samar State University. So, thank you very much po for taking the time na maging part ng amon interview. We appreciate your willingness po to share your experiences with us. So, before we begin po, may we kindly ask po for your name, the school you're currently in, and pero ka na po years nagtuturo.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm Adeline Sardinia Biduya, teaching at Sapinit Elementary School. So, 16 years in service. And I'm teaching elementary, but ako natapos kasi secondary. Pero but that hadto kasi na panahon pwede pa elementary and high school na elementary. So, because of kulang yung items, I decided to choose yung elementary. So, setong yan.
Oh, but thank you so much. That's very inspiring. So, for today's interview po, we hope to better understand the role of teachers, their responsibilities, the challenges, and the impact they have on students and society. So, what inspired you po to become a teacher?
So, what inspires you to become a teacher? So, my family inspired me to become a teacher because I want to help improve our life and support them in the future. I also have a passion for teaching young learners, and I want to share my knowledge with pupils and help them learn how to read and write, which are important skills for their success. Dito, kung bata pa luwag ako, pwede magka-dance. Ano kasi? Nakita kasi ako live, kamakoran live. So, siya ito nga, nagkurso talaga ako pagtapos pag-eskwela. And then, kakoran live at to. Kay nakita ako nga may nagdadaraw, tapos may experience ko ito, dili ko talaga ako magsusulat. Dili ako maada na dito nga sitwasyon. So, siya. Maraming paano.
So, thank you very much po, ma'am. That's very inspiring kung paano naka-influence ang imong passion nga ng imong family pag-pursue teaching. And also, ang imong willingness to help young learners na ma-develop an era or magkakailan nila yung mga growth, it is truly admirable po. So, thank you very much for sharing. So, how do rules and ethical standards guide what you do every day as a teacher?
So rules and ethical standards guide what I do every day as a teacher because they help me become responsible, fair, and respectful in dealing with my pupils and colleagues. They remind me to become a good role model and to treat all learners equally regardless of their background. So ethical standards also encourage me to be patient, honest, and committed to my responsibilities. By following this, I can create a safe and positive learning environment and help my pupils develop both academically and morally.
Thank you so much po. So it really shows kung gaano ka-importante ang values like fairness, respect, and responsibility sa iyong profession. Also, yung papakita liwat kung gaano ba ka-importante ang mga teacher as role model sa ating mga students. So, thank you, ma. Now, our next question po is, how do people and society see you as a teacher and what do they think they expect from you po, ma?
So kasi kita diba, ang tamo kasi, pag kita na yung t-shirt, dapat kuang ka. Ini nga, natanan na yung kilos is,
Yes.
naayon ha, society, dapat, di ka magsasayo, kay master ito, teacher, kung ano ini, so dito sa gagawang tangikita. So dapat, ang imo mga kilos, ang imo mga action based talaga, kung ano ang dapat yan na nakikita, especially ang ating mga learners. So, that's it.
So, gin-highlight talaga kung gaano kadako ang responsibilidad ng teacher nga iraging kikarry para maging maupay ang pagkita era society nga ng mga taong nakapaligid era. So, thank you so much, ma. And how do you think po your work as a teacher impacts society?
Ay, a lot. Because I believe my work as a teacher has a big impact on society because teachers play an important role in shaping the future generation. So by teaching pupils basic skills like reading and writing and helping them develop good values. So I help prepare them to become responsible and productive members of society. So through my guidance and example, I can inspire learners to achieve their goals and contribute positively to their community and country. That's
Okay, so it is inspiring po to how your work contributes to building future generations ng mga estudyante natin ngayon. Now, do you feel adequately supported po in fulfilling your responsibilities as a teacher? Especially po yan nga damon naging issue ng country, naapektuhan ng education. So, do you feel adequately supported po in fulfilling your responsibilities as a teacher?
Oo, yes of course. Lalo pa kung halimbawa, ang mga estudyante kasi, especially hahapon talaga, pili na grade 8. Kaya yung edad pa, instances na may mga bata na di pa nakakabasa. So, grabe fulfillment ta akon. Pag once na ako sa estudyante di nakakabasa, tapos pag abot ako nakakabasa, grabe reward, fulfillment bilang ako sa teacher. Ay, grabe akong kuan. Grabe patawag ito, nasa ang gobyerno di rin mabiya akin. Paano sa ganito? So, I feel also supported in fulfilling my responsibilities as teacher because I receive guidance from my schools, my government, kasi naghahatag hapon na ang mga bulig. Like, for example, pag may da kami mga di maara magbasa, damo in irang mga seminars, trainings, ginahabot sa amon para maging effective kami ng among mga pupils. Also, to my colleagues and of course my family. So their encouragement helps me stay motivated and do my best in teaching my pupils. With their support, I can continue improving my skills and provide better learning experiences for my learners.
So, remember ko po kanina is, very fulfilling po talaga pag maanak ka nga, ma-open naging inform mo na emotions.
Yes. Oo. Tapos nakita kami ang pupils na mga nurse na, may na kami nurse na nakikita. Tapos, teacher na pakuhaan ko po yung to. So, yan, may na kami mga kuhan. May mga nurse na kami nga tigandida amon. May eden na teachers. So, happy talaga ang
Dako po talaga nagbubulig ang teachers, nag-shape ng mga estudyante, mga successful na tao.
Kaya kita kasi yan mga bata kasi nakikita nagiging, gusto ko mag-teacher kaya at saan kadatan niya nakikita din niya atong society, di ba mga teachers kaya kada school. pwede ng mga pictures. Unlike kan iba, di ba, waray yung iba nga courses, saan maaral na, gusto ko mag-picture. So, what do you want to become? Halimbawa, 10 years from now, di ba? Picture, kami yun.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi,
So, for our last question po, ma'am, what message would you like students and society to understand about teachers?
So I would like students and society to understand that teachers are dedicated individuals who help shape the minds and character of the younger generations. Teaching is not only about giving lessons, but also about guiding learners to become responsible, respectful, and productive members of society. Kaya minsan yan, mga pag-ala, ano na eh, ginaasa na haamon. Yung ba, tamo makaka-experience ka mo mag-teacher ka. Binaasa na haamon ang pag-moldan, social attitude. Pero, ang attitude, adago dito makuan, kabalay talaga, nagtitikang. Pero, amon ito, nag-iniskwila ka pa, ng batasan, pero mo kay, di ba? So, dito. So, teaching is not only about giving lessons, but also about guiding learners to become responsible, respectful, and productive members of society. I hope students and society will value you, respect, and support teachers because their role is very important in building a better future for everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much po. So, once again po, thank you very much po for your time. Damo po mo nabaroan pag-share mo valuable insights nga na mo dedication na teaching. So, we are really grateful po to learn from you or from your experiences. Thank you so much.
Salamat dia ka iyo na nakabulig ako ng iyo kung sa din na sabi. Kaya nakakaintindi ako na ako kasi kung ani kanting okay by wala naman trabaho yan din naman this. So thank you so much also for pagpili wat ako.
Yes, thank you so much. We're honored.
Thank you.
We also had the opportunity to interview a parent, a student, and a healthcare worker to gather their perspectives about teachers and their impact to the society.
Paano nga pamaagi kit nato masusuportahan ang mga teacher or mga maestro ha ira trabaho. Masusuportahan ang mga teacher pinaagingan pag kooperar or pagbuligan, istilahan, espesyalihan mga tingkahasi, mga meeting, maaten talaga.
What is the one thing your teacher does that makes you feel excited to learn?
Ang pinaka-exciting po ay kapag nagpapalaro si teacher bago kami mag-aral. Dahil doon nagiging masaya ang aming klase at hindi ako inaantok kaya mas mabilis kong naitatanda ang aming mga lesson.
How did your teacher help you become a better person today compared to when you first started to school?
Tinuruan po ako ni teacher na maging mabait at nagbahagi sa aking mga klase. Dati po ay mahihain ako at hindi marunong sumunod. Pero ngayon ay marunong na ako gumamit ng po at opo at laging tumutulong sa iba.
Here's the question I would like to ask. As a professional today, what is the one life lesson from your favorite teacher that you still use in your workplace every single day?
Salamat sa iyong katanungan. Siguro po, maraming binigay sa akin ng mga teacher ko na life lesson. Pero isa lang yung tumatak sa akin, yung be yourself. Kasi yung be yourself, kahit saan ka pumunta, kahit nagtatrabaho ka na ngayon, nadadala mo yan kahit gaano ka-toxic yung workplace mo, basta maniwala ka sa sarili, magiging maunlad ka at magiging masaya ka kahit saan ka pumunta, kahit saan trabaho pa yan, kahit sa lugar, basta maniwala ka sa sarili. Yan lang yung tumatak sa akin nung nag-aaral pa ako.
Yes, thank you for your wonderful answer.
Salamat din.
Teaching is not easy. It requires effort, patience, and dedication.
That demands competence to students and societies alike.
But despite everything, teachers continue to show up and give their best.
Because behind every dream is a teacher who believed first.